Renewable fuels have the potential to support the energy transition. However, alternative feedstocks can contain impurities like soaps, phosphorus compounds, metals, and chlorine. These impurities disrupt production and impact yields. Our experts ingeniously transform minerals, like volcanic ashes generated millions of years ago, into customized adsorbents. These adsorbents remove impurities while keeping short filtration times. You can picture our adsorbents as super sponges. We fine-tune the adsorbent structure, adjusting its pore size, chemical properties, and particle size to capture the molecules we want to remove from the final product. Thanks to this tuning, Tonsil takes out all the impurities that interact negatively in the downstream process. And much like a chameleon adapting to its environment, Tonsil adjusts to target the specific impurities in different feedstocks. After the feedstock has been purified, the adsorbent particles need to be sifted out. This step is crucial as it ensures that the production process is run smoothly, avoiding delays and costs. With Tonsil, a hassle-free pre-treatment process is guaranteed without any bottlenecks getting in the way. Adsorbents play a key role in advancing the success of bio and renewable fuels. Our Tonsil RNF series enables the decarbonization of the transportation sector and dependency on fossil fuels. This is innovation for greater chemistry.